The information security field has more abbreviations than ever, further highlighting the complexity and growth of the IT landscape as it expands between on-premises and cloud environments. Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. With the emergence of endpoint detection and response, that is EDR, which focuses on workloads, network detection and response, that is NDR, which focuses on network activity, and extended detection and response, that is XDR, which evolves both EDR and NDR, includes security information and event management. Endpoint detection and response, that is EDR, focuses on monitoring endpoints, for example desktops and servers, for threats using endpoint-specific data and analytics. Whereas extended detection and response, that is XDR, expands the scope of threat detection beyond endpoints by consolidating and correlating data from multiple sources that might include networks, cloud environments, and applications. Cloud detection and response, that is CDR, focuses on the detection and response of security incidents in cloud environments. CDR is a security approach that detects cloud applications and infrastructure by providing visibility, analytics, and threat detection capabilities within cloud environments. CDR tools integrate with various cloud service providers and their native security services to detect and respond to cloud-specific threats and vulnerabilities. CDR and XDR are related but distinct solutions. Few tech companies positioned their solution as content disarm and reconstructions, also known as threat extraction, proactively protects against known and unknown threats contained in documents by removing executable content. This enables CDR to offer true zero-day prevention while delivering files to users quickly. Through advanced analytics and detection techniques, CDR identifies malicious activities, unauthorized access, and anomalous behavior in cloud environments. Once a threat is detected, CDR assists security teams in investigating and mitigating the issue. Experts say one of the hallmarks of CDR is automation through cloud provider services and APIs. CDR also focuses on large-scale event processing and automated risk analysis through machine learning and analytics. The shift from EDR to XDR to CDR is a natural progression as threats become more sophisticated and organizations move to the cloud. CDR is the latest and greatest in cybersecurity, and it is essential for organizations that want to stay ahead of the curve. Let's look into today's headlines. Manipal Group's Dr. Ranjan Pai to invest in edtech firm Aakash. The chairman of Manipal Group, Dr. Ranjan Pai, is coming as a rescuer for Aakash, the edtech company owned by BYJU'S that is currently facing difficulties. As an investor in BYJU'S, Dr. Pai's family office is in talks to invest around $90 million, which would greatly assist the struggling edtech giant and provide some much-needed relief. Meta working on new AI features for Instagram. Meta is apparently working on consumer-facing generative AI tools based on its new Llama 2 model. This includes labels that allow creators to identify images generated by Meta AI. A series of screenshots was posted by a notable tech leaker of what appears to be an in-development version of Instagram, detailing a whole series of new features. China imposes export ban on chip materials gallium and germanium. Chinese companies seeking to export gallium or germanium will need to obtain a license under the new rules. They will also need to provide information on the final recipient and give details about their end use. Gallium or germanium are the key metals used to make computer chips, of which China accounts for 94% of the world's production. Finance Ministry says that GST laws have provisions to act against offshore gaming platforms evading tax. The Union Finance Ministry said that there are enough provisions in GST laws to take action against offshore gaming platforms that default on taxes. The Minister of State for Finance, Pankaj Chaudhary, informed the Lok Sabha that these enforcement provisions in GST laws will let the government to take action against offshore platforms which do not pay prescribed GST. Prosus to sell part of PayU for $610 million. Prosus is selling part of its subsidiary PayU to Israel's Rapid for $610 million, excluding the fintech firm's units in India, Turkey and Indonesia. Prosus CEO said that the company is now fully focused on the huge fintech opportunity in India. Prosus earlier abandoned a planned $4.7 billion acquisition of Indian online payments firm BillDesk by PayU. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.